A former Murray County magistrate judge is sentenced to 5 years in federal prison. Good evening. I'm Calvin Sneed.
I'm Kim Chapman. News Channel 9's Brianna Arredondo was inside the courtroom as the judge and attorney shared some pretty strong words about the case. She joins us now with more. Brianna.
Kim, Calvin, it took about an hour for the judge to hear both sides for and against how long Bryant Cochran should serve time. And today, the woman he framed spoke her mind in court. Hugs today from Angela Garmley's attorneys saying she can finally find peace following a 3-year-long case.
And to be representing a client who then is targeted by law enforcement and a judicial officer is a feeling that I hope I never have again in my career.
Garmley was framed in 2012 when ex-Murray County Judge Bryant Cochran had meth planted in her car, ending in her false arrest.
Do not feel sorry or have any sympathy for Judge Cochran. He did it. He is corrupt. He is a corrupt judge, and he besmirches the image of the court. And to have a man like Judge Murphy, who I've known for years, to make the comments he made today is telling for the public.
Garmley read this statement in the Rome federal court today. She says Cochran took advantage of her asking for sexual favors when she went to him with a legal issue.
I don't know too many corrupt judges. I hope I never meet them. But now judges have to understand that they have a standard that they have to live up to.
Cochran was found guilty of conspiracy, civil rights, and tampering crimes, sentenced to 5 years in federal prison.
I mean, the judge went below the advisory sentencing guideline range. So, in other words, he thought that the sentencing guidelines were too high for this case. So I thought that was a good sign. I mean, obviously, we disagree with the verdict, but I think the sentence, given the circumstances, was fair and about what we expected.
The federal prosecutor says it sets an example.
I think the ultimate takeaway is that justice was served, and everyone who violated the civil rights of the citizens of Murray County has been brought to justice.
And Cochran's defense attorney says that he plans to file an appeal in the next 2 weeks, and Cochran, will do his time at a federal facility in Pensacola, Florida. Kim.
Brianna, thank you very much. And Cochran must also do 100 hours of community service work and 3 years of supervised release. The Bureau of Prisons will contact him with a date to report, but for now, he is out on bail.